Are you ready to get your wig life together with this gorgeous unit right here? For just $15, baby. Hello, welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Okay, today I am going to be reviewing this wig by Big Beautiful Hair. Alright, in a 3C Moonlight Maven, and I got it in the color 1B. Alright, and this is the new half wig cap. It says it lays flat, so it's flat like right in the front, where it'd be perfect to put a headband with it. So I'm going to unbox it. All right, here she go. Very beautiful. Okay, and also, if you're wondering about my this hair right here, this is a human hair half wig, headband wig. Okay, so I have a review on this beautiful unit also. So it's really flat at the top, and it comes with two combs right here in the front. It has one comb in the back and the two adjustable straps. All right, so let's get this wig on like real quick. Okay, I got her on my head, and she is absolutely big, bold, and beautiful. Okay, this is it up close with my favorite headband on. I have so many, but I like it because it matches my outfit, so I haven't changed my headband since doing my little reviews. Okay, let's do a 360. This is her from the side, the back, and the other side. Okay, this is super cute. I really like it. Okay, I am really liking her. Look how gorgeous these curls are. Pretty nice. Yes. Okay. Okay, well, you probably can style her like in an up-down type of little look like this. Just showing y'all some little bitty ways to style this cute wig. So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And she's so bouncy. Yes, I am really feeling this big, beautiful unit. And it don't shed too much at all. Okay, just gorgeous, and you can style it in all type of little styles. Okay, that wraps it up for this wig review. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to do it because I will be coming back with more hot wig reviews like this. Okay. And I thank all of my subscribers. I just thank you all for your support also. Very grateful for you all. Thank you again and have a blessed and prosperous day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.